Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in Call of Duty Vanguard. It's a straightforward process, but the exact steps can vary slightly depending on your platform. We'll cover both in-game and launcher-based methods to ensure you can enjoy the game in your preferred language. Let's dive in and get your settings updated quickly and easily. Once you've launched Call of Duty Vanguard, head to the main menu. From there, you'll need to access the game settings. Look for an Options or Settings button, usually found in the bottom left corner. Within the settings, tab over to Interface. Here, you should find the language selection option, allowing you to pick from the supported languages like English, French, Spanish, or Portuguese. For PC players, you might need to adjust language settings through the battle. Net Launcher. Open the battle. Net Desktop app and select Call of Duty Vanguard. Click on the Options menu, then choose Game Settings. You'll find a drop-down menu to select your preferred text language. After making your selection, the launcher may prompt you to restart to apply the changes. If your language doesn't change immediately, try restarting the game completely. Sometimes, a full restart is necessary for the new settings to take effect. If issues persist, verifying your game files through your launcher can resolve corrupted data. For console players, changing your system's region or creating a new profile in a different region might be necessary for certain languages. And hey, for more great deals and that link to the leak-proof containers, be sure to check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.